little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing an awesome level 3 house, super fun and easy to do. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black marker and paper, and let's jump right in. Let's start with the first floor. Draw a large rectangle at the bottom of the page. This will be the base of our house. Now, let's draw the second floor. Right above the first floor, draw another rectangle, but make it slightly smaller. Next, let's add the third floor. Draw one more rectangle on top, even smaller than the second floor. Amazing! Let's make it fancy. Draw a small rectangle attached to the side of the third floor for a cute little balcony. Then, add vertical lines for the railing. Add a door to the first floor in the center. Draw two vertical rectangles with a line in between and small circles for handles. On either side of the door, draw two square windows. For the second floor, draw two windows, one on each side. And finally, add one last window on the third floor. Next, draw two plant pots on either side of the house. Add some wavy lines or zigzags for the leaves to make them look lively. Great job! Now, make the outlines bold and sharp using your black marker to make the drawing pot. Doesn't it look amazing? Yay! Now it's time to color our house with bright rainbow colors. Grab your color pens, and here are the colors we'll use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. color. Awesome work, friends! Your level 3 house looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your friends and family. Thanks for drawing with us, and see you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.